Hi, hello everyone. This is Baby James. Today, we're gonna do the unboxing for our squeeze station for James Food. Okay, so this is the one we bought in Walmart. This is $27.99. Yeah, you can blend the food and then squeeze here and store it in the refrigerator, so you can save money instead of buying of this kind of in a pouch. So you can buy your own of that machine. So we show you what is inside. Are you ready? Yes, of course. You see here. So we're gonna open it, and the box is in here. Okay. Say hi to them. Say hi to them. See? So this is the box. Alright. Okay. So this is inside. So you can see here. This is the one here. And all of this is in the plastic bag. So we'll show you how to do it. So you're gonna put here. Okay. Right. So this is the one used to push the food in the container, plastic container. This one, right? So the pouch, they also give us a pouch. It's a pouch here. So you can also put like this under. Yeah, you can also use this one if you want to store in this kind of storage. So you can use like this, but also if you want to put in the plastic, so you can use this. Wait, sorry. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Oh, sorry. Right. Here. There we go. Yay. Now we're gonna show you the pouch and the cover of the pouch. Okay, here is the this is the pouch and this is the cover, so I can wash it and drain and use it again, right? Recycle. It's plastic, so you can clean it and dry, and then you can reuse it again. This is good. It's very helpful to all moms like me. This is the brand. So this is the brand, and you can make all of those. You can make your own. Decide what kind of fruits you're gonna mix it or vegetables. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna say bye. Hello to everyone. You see? Hello. Thank you.